In 2025, kitchens are no longer just places to cook, they've become the centerpiece of modern homes. The design trends this year are all about blending style, functionality, and sustainability. Whether it's bold new color choices, smarter appliances, or multifunctional layouts, these ideas are reshaping how kitchens look and feel. This video will explore 3 standout trends that are dominating modern kitchen design in 2025. Let's dive into how you can bring these stylish and practical updates into your space. Gone are the days of plain white kitchens. In 2025, bold and earthy colors take center stage. Deep shades like forest green, navy blue, and warm terracotta bring richness and depth to kitchen spaces. These tones not only make a statement but also create a welcoming and cozy atmosphere. To complement these bold colors, natural materials are making a big impact. Think wood cabinetry with visible grains, stone countertops with unique textures, and even accent pieces like rattan pendant lights or clay decor. The combination of vibrant hues and natural elements strikes a perfect balance between sophistication and comfort, making your kitchen a place you'll never want to leave. The kitchen island has evolved far beyond a simple countertop. In 2025, it's the ultimate multitasker, designed to meet the diverse needs of modern living. These islands combine cooking, dining, storage, and even workspace all in one compact area. Imagine a sleek island with hidden compartments for cookware, built-in charging ports for your devices, and an extended overhang that serves as a casual dining space. Some designs also include integrated sinks or stovetops, making meal prep more efficient while keeping everything within reach. Whether you're hosting a gathering or helping with homework while preparing dinner, a multifunctional kitchen island keeps the heart of the home both stylish and practical. Technology is transforming kitchens into highly efficient and user-friendly spaces in 2025. Smart appliances are leading the way, offering features like app-controlled ovens that preheat before you get home or refrigerators that suggest recipes based on what's inside. These innovations are designed to save time and reduce waste. Touchless faucets are another game-changer, combining hygiene and convenience with sleek designs that fit seamlessly into modern kitchens. Smart lighting systems, which adjust brightness and color based on the time of day, add both practicality and ambience. These high-tech upgrades aren't just about gadgets, they're about creating a smoother, more enjoyable experience in the kitchen while also contributing to energy efficiency. It's a perfect blend of modern living and sustainability. The kitchen trends of 2025 reflect a perfect harmony of style, practicality, and innovation. Bold, earthy colors paired with natural materials bring warmth and character, while multifunctional kitchen islands redefine how we use our space, offering solutions for cooking, dining, and even working. Smart technology takes these designs a step further, making kitchens more intuitive, efficient, and sustainable. Incorporating these trends doesn't just enhance the aesthetic of your kitchen, it transforms it into a space where functionality meets inspiration. Whether you're drawn to the timeless beauty of natural elements, the versatility of modern layouts, or the convenience of cutting-edge technology, these ideas provide endless opportunities to create a kitchen that perfectly suits your lifestyle. Take these design insights as inspiration to turn your kitchen into the heart of your home. If you're ready to explore these transformative ideas further, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more innovative design solutions.